Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. Johnny Mac here, the gravy guy. This recipe is fresh, it's green, it's perfect for the summertime, and you can make it in a matter of minutes. It's a chimichurri sauce. It goes great with steak. Let me show you how to make it. This recipe has a lot of shrubbery in it, so round up your blade and a board. Work with the parsley first. 1 bundle should do. I like to keep it in the bundle, but wash it, dry it, and then shave off all of the leaves. Next, try to remove any excess stems. It's alright if there's a few. Take your knife and chop it up. You can chop it as fine as you like, or you can leave it chunky. Taster's choice. Round up a glass container or jar and drop it in. You can add it all, but just to give you a rough estimate of the measurements, it'll be more or less a cup. Moving right along, round up some oregano. If you have fresh oregano growing in your garden, that works best. Here's a quick demo on how to remove the leaves. Grab the top of the stem and pull down, gently removing all of the leaves from the stem. Round up that knife, chop it up, and again, because this is homemade from scratch, you can chop it fine or you can keep it chunky, whatever you like. And for a quick measurement, 2 tablespoons should do the job. If you like this recipe, it's also in the Sauce and Gravy cookbook, Sauces Made Simply. I'll put a link in the description below, as well as on the Sauce and Gravy channel if you'd like to have this recipe at your fingertips in the comfort of your own home. Nice work. This is the hardest part of the recipe. 5 cloves of garlic, peeling them. Get rid of those pesky skins. Then chop them up and smash them into the board to release their oils. That'll add tons of flavor to this chimichurri sauce. And you know, it's really not that difficult of a sauce, as you can see. And it's very versatile. It goes with fish, goes with pork, chicken, and of course, it's a perfect summertime sauce for steak. That's pretty much the bulk of the work. Now we'll just add a few things to the jar. We'll start off with 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. 1/2 teaspoon of salt should do. Drop in 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. To this you'll pour in 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Here we go with the last ingredient, red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters. And that's it. Only thing left to do is give it a stir. You can put it in the refrigerator to let it marry those flavors. It just really adds a lot to the taste, or you can have it on the spot. So that's how you make a chimichurri sauce. Thanks for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Hope that you found this recipe helpful. If you did, hit that like button and be sure to share it with your friends. If you're into sauces and gravies, hit that subscribe button and be sure to hit the all notification bells to stay tuned to the latest and greatest sauce and gravy making tips and techniques. Thank you for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. Until next time, remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.